Alright, this video is for my friend Jono. I learned this song from my friend Adam, and the arrangement was done by my friend Ike. So I'm not really responsible for much of this, but it is a really neat modern arrangement of an old hymn, the hymn For the Beauty of the Earth. And I'll run you through the chords first, and then we're going to talk about playing it a little bit. And the chords for the verse are pretty simple. It starts with a G for just half a measure, so you get a little bit of G, and then you run down to a C, you hit a D, and then you end with a G. So it sounds like, for the beauty of the earth, and that repeats, for the glory of the sky, for the love which even from, this G is short, from our birth, then an A minor, over and around us lies. Okay, and how I like to play the song is with that picking pattern that we talked about in the B minor exercise. So if you paid attention to that, we're going to use it here in this song. And the way we use it is a little different. You don't play completely through the whole pattern on each chord, because some of them are too short. So like the first one is just 2 notes. Hear that? So it's just 2 notes on G, then you go to C, and then D. And then when you get back to G, you get the whole thing. So it's a really useful little picking pattern, especially for the song. So that's the verse. I'll go through it again with you. I'll put the chords up on the screen so you can watch them, and we'll sing a little bit. For the beauty of the earth, for the glory of the sky, for the love which even from our birth over and around us lies. Alright, so the chords for the chorus starts with a D, goes to an E minor, C, D, G. And it repeats back to the D. Only this time you hit the E minor, then really quickly a D, then really quickly a C. And it finishes with an A minor, D, G. Sounds like this. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Lord of all, to thee we raise. Hallelujah, hallelujah, this our song of grateful praise. So I want to talk briefly about the picking pattern for this. If you watch the B minor exercise video, you already know the picking pattern. And the only thing that's different on this song is that you don't always play through the whole picking pattern for each chord, and that you have to move your fingers around from chord to chord. In the B minor exercise, they stayed in the same spot right here the entire time. On this one, we have to move them around. So I just thought I'd mention that. On the G chord, they're in this position, the 6, the 4, the 3, and the 2. When you go to the C, the only thing that changes is the position of your thumb. But when you go to the D, you have to move these 3 fingers up to strings 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the other 2 chords are the A minor chord, which is played with the same position as the C, and then the E minor, which is the same position as the G. So for the verse, it's going to look like this. Remember that we just play that G chord for 2 notes. then on the chorus, it gets a little bit trickier because there's that one spot where you move so quickly. The first half of the chorus is pretty easy. The D, then the E minor, C, D, G, then D, E, D, C, A minor, D, G. Alright, that should get you through the song. Hope you have fun with that.